Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind.
Hey loves, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a quick at home in room 6 months baby shoot. I don't know why I felt like doing it myself, but we're going to be giving it a try today. I'm going to be showing you guys all her outfits as well as like the set that I'm using. This one is one of the backdrops, actually is the backdrop that we're going to be using. I wanted something very soft, something very floral and feminine. So I'm going to show you guys her outfit. It's the cutest. This one was gifted. This is like a butterfly tutu and like it has wings. I don't know how I'm going to pull this up. I would definitely give this a try, but I can always keep this for like her 12-month shoot and play with it. I don't know if yeah, well, this is one outfit that I kind of have in mind. This one was a last minute dress. I got this one from Amazon and let me tell you, it is cute. This is what it looks like. It's like a tutu and then it has like heart shapes in it. Let me come up close. It has like heart shapes as well, and like it has like this floral thing going here, and I feel like it will also kind of blend with the background or the backdrop, if that makes sense. Using so cute. So I got this fake flowers, faux flowers on Amazon as well. I don't know if I'm doing too much florals, but yeah, I haven't even opened this up. I'm gonna open this up so that we can see it. This is what comes in the box. Everything is just falling out of it, but yeah, what they look like. I'm hoping she can hold one at least. Let's see how that turns out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. They're like individual pieces. I'm gonna be sitting on this white faux rug. This is what this, oh, this is so pretty and it's big. It's big. Okay, I don't mind this. Let me show you guys what we're working with and take you guys down.
Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me, like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude, don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama, forget the calm.
I'm just setting the backdrop, this full rug just over it. What does it look like? Does it look clean? Does it look cute? Let me put the, just gonna drop the flowers, put it on the ground.
Funny how it changed in a matter of time. First you were so easy, but now I can't even get through to your mind, 'cause you don't wanna listen. I know everything about you.
I think this setup is cute. We have a headlight, we have this field light, and then we're using sunlight as the main light, and I think this is going to work. I don't know, like this Michaela sits somewhere here in the middle. Guys, is it looking too much?
Oh, I think you're so rude.
The star of the show has woken up. Look at my baby, that is almost 6 months old. Guys, I have tons of pictures of this baby girl, like tons of beautiful, amazing pictures that I've been taking for the past month. and I never post them. But I did her hair not so long ago, like earlier this morning while she was awake. Hi, oh my god, I want to kiss you, but I have like lip products on my lips. But yeah, she just woke up now and I want to quickly feed her and then change her so that way when we start filming she's not cranky and she gives me all the smiles that I need, because I need her to be smiling, right? But before I change her, right, let me do like a quick test shoot to see if I want to like move things around before I kind of get her ready, because once I get her ready I just want to put her there and start like clicking away. Baby girl, your mommy's heart, I love you with all my heart and my soul. Quickly do like a quick test. Let me see. I know she's gonna play with the flower because now she's like in her picking phase. Let me see what you look like here. So gorgeous. Oh my god. Tell me I'm not a pro newborn. Tell me I'm not a pro photographer. Look at that. So and now that I know that it looks good on camera, it's one thing to visualize something else. It's another thing for it to come to fruition. So right now I want to quickly change her up and feed her, or feed her and then change her. I don't know which one's gonna come first. Look at my gorgeous, gorgeous flower girl. Look at my gorgeous, gorgeous flower girl. Let's see what your dress looks like. Yay, we got her looking cute. Oh my gosh, my girl is so beautiful. You're gonna wear your hairpiece. Oh my goodness. Oopsie. I think she looks better without it. Let's see if we can take this at the back. Is it better at the back? I don't know. Put it to the side. Let's see what that looks like. Either ways, you're just too gorgeous. So I'm gonna quickly just set her down. Hey, look at me here. Look at mommy here. Killer! Killer! I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Look at mommy. Kiki! Oh my girl. Here's your time to shine. Show me what you I didn't say she eat it too. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. Kiki! With every move I make Kiki! Hi! Come on, get mommy some cute, cute smiles. Killer! Come on, no eating. Kayla, Keke, Kayla. Hi. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Kayla. Here's your time to shine. I'll show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. Did you? Ay. Kayla. Kayla. My girl. Kayla. Kayla, look at me here. Kiki. Come on. Oh, girl. She's smiling today. Oh my goodness. Hi, Kayla. Take it. Oh, I'll take. I'm joking. Take. I wanna be a weekend lover. I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet you another. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Show me what you can do. My battery literally went off, so I need to distract her. She's gonna start crying now. I don't know what to do again. She's literally just playing with her flowers. Look at mommy girl. Look at mommy girl. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Look at mommy girl. Look at mommy girl. Ha. Oh my
I ain't got
goodness.
time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. I'm looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
Kilala.
Here's your time to shine, I'll show me
Killa.
what you can do.